Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by readying the device so playback won't interrupt. Turn off auto lock and plug in or charge above 50% so the screen stays active. Open YouTube and cue a single video or curated playlist that's safe for babies. A playlist prevents accidental exits. Switch on airplane mode or do not disturb to block calls and alerts. This keeps the screen focused. Once done, you're set to lock the interface for minimal accidental touches. Now lock the screen using the platform tool that matches your device. If available, use YouTube Kids with built-in restrictions. Otherwise, enable guided access on iOS or screen pinning on Android. Configure the exit method, set a passcode, or require biometric confirmation so your baby cannot leave the app. Adjust touch settings to ignore accidental taps and set a safe max volume. These steps prevent navigation. Finish by starting playback and immediately activating the chosen lock feature. Verify that home gestures and notifications are blocked. Make sure the device has ventilation. If it overheats, pause, remove the case, and let it cool. If your baby still manages to exit or the lock won't engage, force close YouTube, restart the device, then reapply the lock. Also check for pending OS or app updates, since fixes often resolve lock behavior. One quick reboot usually solves stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.